Hi guys, welcome back to our channel and thank you for joining us on this episode with Dr. Eseosa
Edokpayi Nwoji.
I don't want to cut my tongue, so I just said the first one and left her to say the other one. If you are just joining us for the first time, thank you for joining us. If you're a returning viewer, we love you, thank you. Please make sure you subscribe, you hit the notification button, you like and you share. You go through our channel, you see that we've spoken on so many things before. It's something you really want to watch, so please go through the channel. But today, we're talking on something very important, something that our women folk will like. Yes, weight loss. Me say I find solution to it. If you're like me that have extra tire, Ngwanu, adjust your seat, sit down here and come and listen on how we can solve this problem that is disturbing women worldwide. Sugar, doctor. Thank you for giving us your time.
You're welcome. It's always a pleasure.
Okay. Why weight and women?
Yes.
Kilo day. Why do we
Yes.
have this marriage?
Because we like food.
I like
We are
food.
foodie, yes. We like food a lot, and we discover as women, most times we don't pay attention to our health. We don't value, I wouldn't want to use the word value. We tend to ignore that
busy.
part. We just feel it's healthy living. I have to look fat so that people will know that my husband is taking care of me and things like that. And when they give us money to, even when they get symptoms of this, I'm feeling pain here, I'm feeling that, instead of us to go for checkup, we don't go. We pocket the money or we use the money to buy a shoebi. And we have to say the truth. They do it a lot. Except when their husbands bring them here and say, let's do this, let's go and check our health. That's when the most times come for. But basically, women on their own don't really take that step to check their health. So most times they just discover they just grow out of proportion, and based on our hormones, you understand, when you don't control your hormones, you're fine, because of the way we eat, the way our lifestyle, these hormones also just react and abnormally, and before we know it, before we say okay, we want to take corrections, we discover things are out of hand. And the next thing is diseases pose in, and that's where the problem comes in, when you discover I'm trying this modalities, I'm trying this, not working and all that. So basically, weight loss is a metabolic thing. It starts with food intolerance. Okay? You discover your body, your system is not accepting some food, or your food is not really digesting. You understand? It's just storing. The body is storing instead of utilizing. You eat instead of your food to break down, absorption to take place, and flow. You just discover always storing due to irregular eating. I'm very busy. I eat breakfast this morning 8 o'clock. Tomorrow morning I'm eating my breakfast 12. Next tomorrow I'm eating my breakfast 3. This body starts storing because it doesn't know when you are going to eat the next meal. You have confused the body. So it just keeps storing instead of utilizing your food for energy. So before you know it, the body is packing up. The tissues are packing up. Some parts are getting inflamed. Some things are not working the way they should work. Vessels are inflamed. Sometimes you look at the lower abdomen, you see a lot of like gastritis. You see fermented food that has not been evacuated, that the rectum have not eliminated. They are all there piled up. But because the body did not give you any symptoms that, okay, pain here, you are not bothered. You just go on and you just discover, my weight every day is going. But you just look, you are fresh, but the day you try your weight, you say, wow, I'm 70, I'm 90, I'm this. You now know, or until that weight starts posing threats. Because for the first thing, you discover that your waistline is just going abnormally. For women, you see 40, 48. What are you doing? When you are that centimeter, you know that your heart is in serious problem. The vessels are becoming blocked. Congestion is taking place already. So by the time you now start saying that you are having pains here and there, the hand and all that, the blood is getting polluted. Okay? The blood viscosity is becoming high. Your LDL is becoming high. These are bad fats in your lipids. Your lipids is becoming, the bad fat is becoming too much. The good fat is small because you're not eating healthy food. Because when your body starts storing fat that it cannot use, it makes your body inflame, the vessels inflame, the tissues inflame. And before you know, when nothing is done, infection poses in, bacteria poses in, high toxins poses in, because there's no flow. There's no flow. And your flow gets hindered. When there's no good circulation of blood, everything is congested. And the person is just find herself in that kind of state that nothing is now working for me. You advertise a lot of slimming teas, they will tell you I've been taking slimming, nothing is working. It's because there's already damage that has been done due to irregular eating that has posed a lot of threats. Things like human toxins, things like heavy metals, things like infections in your your gastrointestine. Your gut has lost its flora. There's no metabolic enzyme, there's no food enzyme, there's no digestive enzyme. So there's nothing that is there's no enzyme breaking down your food. Everything is just congested. So you now discover this person, nothing is working for this person. This person is getting to a state of tomorrow anything can happen. They can diagnose you of cancer, tomorrow they can definitely the person may even be diabetic without even knowing that it's diabetic.
Wow.
Yes. Because you discover that because it's a metabolic issue, you discover insulin is no more exerting its function. And if it's exerting, it's resisting.
Looks like insulin
is an
works
hormone.
for every...
Yes, because it's an hormones in your endocrine system. It's a very vital hormone. It's the mother of all hormones.
Wow.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
So if it's misbehaving, the body too is misbehaving. The organs are misbehaving. Wow. So if it's not secreting, your body is not secreting that. And it's the hormones that takes our sugar, glucose, that powers our body for energy to the cell that needs it and to all the organs. So if it's not exerting its function, automatically it means the body is being starved. So whatever you are eating is just floating. So you just discover everything just like balloon, blowing up.
There's no
everything you are using is no remedy is working for you. So you have to treat the culprits, which is the infections.
Okay, Doc. What is the marriage between weight for women now?
Okay.
Between weight and arthritis.
Both are metabolic issues. Metabolic issues has to do with from breaking down of food to absorption to flow. Metabolism means your food is not breaking down. Nutrient is not being utilized from the food you eat. Weight loss, arthritis, because arthritis are inflammations of the bones, of the joints.
Yeah.
So it's also a metabolic issue that's the root cause of that, because you discover the bones are like
creaky.
Yes, because
painful.
nutrients is not getting there. So it's like when you don't grease, it's cracking. It's no lubrication. And you're supposed to get it from your food. The nutrients are supposed to come from your food, because your food are your medicine. So not just craving for come and give me medication, come and give me supplements. You understand? So you're supposed to get it even if you are not taking supplement, because the inflammations are everywhere. The supplement is like you are wasting it. First thing first, evacuate, kill the infections, and free the vessels, and let the bones and the joints be free. Lubricate them. Then exercise. Stimulation. Opening up all the chakras are key. If all your chakras, your 5 chakras are open, then you are good to go. Things will just be, everything you are taking as you are eating, is breaking down, is moving, you are whole. Your body is whole. So it's a complete, it should be an holistic treatment when it comes to weight loss. That's the problem. Even most ailments that they bring, if you are overweight, that must be the first thing. That's the first culprit. We have to bring your weight down. Because that's the first stage of
like the baseline of
yes, because there are blockages already with that weight, because your waistline is posing threat to your heart already. The vessels are blocked, the arteries are blocked. So where is blood moving? Where is the nutrient moving? The heart is inflamed, the lungs is crying, the airway is blocked.
Wow. Okay, Doc. For our viewers at home, now we've understood that basically almost every symptom has a base of metabolic problem.
Yes, metabolic
that
problem.
allows diseases or viruses to
pose.
Okay, so in this area of weight loss, what can be done? What can somebody watching us right now do to flush? Now, you spoke about having stored
fats, yes,
in the gut and all
yes,
those things that.
Yes.
So what can one do at home to, flush herself of all those?
Basically, you will
damage?
be on therapies.
Okay.
Detoxification therapies, and it comes in different ways, different modalities we use based on your body type.
Okay.
Okay. There is no one method fit all.
Okay.
Okay. So if I tell you online now that okay, do this, it may not work for you because I don't know your body composition. And if you have infections, for example, and you have toxins, my dear, I can't put you on any therapy. You will be on a serious state, because that's why I said first thing first, kill the viruses, because it's like soldiers waking up. What is this lady doing? What has she started? And if the therapy is not strong enough to eliminate them, they will attack the system. They will attack your body in the way that they may even rush you to the hospital. What is wrong? And the person is like, I don't know what this person said I should do. So we don't do things like that because we don't treat symptoms. As a naturopathic doctor, we treat root causes of ailment. What is the root causes? Are they infections? Let's deal with the infections first. Are they human toxins? Are they heavy metals? Let's bring them out so that the body will be whole. All you are coming to us is for the body to be whole. The body is sick. You have taken these modalities, you have done this, it's not working. So what common sense will tell you? There are some dangerous soldiers fighting this body. Let me go and look for it. Go for a comprehensive checkup. That's the first thing. Don't ever dodge that, except you want somebody to do mango for you and not to tell you the truth. Because a comprehensive diagnosis make whoever is treating you treat you properly, give you an holistic treatment. Open up all, it's like sharpening all the organs. So that they can function well, they can work well. So don't run because it's going to be expensive. Hey, I've done this test, I've done. The person that wants to treat you, let the person diagnose you. So that they can treat you very well.
So it's not one cap fits all.
No.
Body systems
differs.
Lifestyle will determine.
Yes.
What can be done. Okay, so but what can we do at home
to
help us?
We still go back to our natural spices. Your ginger is cool. Your garlic is cool. Then for the arthritis and all that, because it's inflammation everywhere, turmeric is cool. These are anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal in their own capacity to help. It now depends on the level of inflammation, level of viruses, and level of infections they can cause.
So is it that I juice the ginger, turmeric and garlic?
Yes.
I juice
and take them, yes.
Take
it's
them.
like more of detoxification, detoxify, clear the pathway, open up all the chakras, the meridians, so that things can flow. When the circulation is good, the body is coming back.
Okay. So if I should make if I should make this mixture today.
Yes.
First and foremost, can it be put in the fridge?
Yes, you can put it in the fridge. You can even leave it, it doesn't.
You can leave it out.
Yes.
So you
must not take it cold.
Okay, should not be taken cold. Okay. So if I should make this mixture today, like how long do I take this mixture before I have to make a fresh one?
It depends on the level of weight, whatever. You can take it for 3 months. You can take it, it could be for 2 weeks. It depends, you don't want to do it for a very long time if you are not on the very big side. Because in things like this, you take it for a very long time for you to see, you understand. Yes. But when you take it and see that you are not getting results, then you have not done the first thing, which is those bacteria feasting, because those things you are doing, they are jacking it. So you kill those bacteria and equip your stomach back with those
good flora.
Flora, so that they can now break down your food. Absorption can take place, then flow can be enhanced.
In essence, the immune system also has a
key
role to play.
Your blood has to tally with what you're doing. That is why these are the vital signs we look at, put into consideration, and place you on your body type of therapy that suits you.
Does exercise also come to play?
Beautiful. Here? You can't do without exercise. You can't do without stimulation. You can't do without wind massage. You're opening up your chakras help when you do exercise. Key exercise that will help to carry out the modalities we are using to achieve So that's why I say it's an holistic, you know. There are some gadgets will tell you that sometimes we have to do massage, cupping, the energy therapy, bring into it, you know, so that we achieve our goal. So it's all about holistic. It's not just one way. But you could try that DIY at home so that you see the improvement, because it's all about detoxification. Keep opening, keep trying to see how you can open, not just sit down, this thing is not working. Try something, you understand, and you see, just to open up the vessels, you understand, so that things will go, because circulation is life. When you have too much of weight, especially in your waistline, it can pose threats to chronic issues.
Now you said above 40, when your waistline is above 40.
Above 40, even for women, should be looking at 36, 38. You understand? But men, you can 40. You understand?
Auntie, if your waistline don't pass 38, this is for you.
So you watch out. So use that as a guide. And you know, you also look at your height. Your height has to go with your weight. Not that you are 175 centimeter and you are weighing 90. Jesus, you know you are obese. You know you are going because we have things like degenerative disease, where your body is aging too fast. You are looking older than your age. It's also deadly. It's not good.
Wow.
So you have to be very careful to balance. The body is all about balance. You know, equilibrium. Just balance things up, so that you enjoy that complete wellness.